Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share my daily routine with you. But before I start, I want to tell you something important. I am currently learning English and I am trying to improve my speaking English skills step by step. That's why I'm making this video to practice speaking English and to share my journey with you. I know I am not a perfect speaker, but I believe that the more I practice, the better I will become. So, if you are also learning English, let's learn together. Now, let's talk about today's topic. In this video, I will talk about my daily routine in English. I will share how I spend my day from morning to night. This will help me improve my English speaking skills, and I hope it will also help you learn some useful sentences for daily life. So let's get started. I open my eyes in the morning and respectfully say Alhamdulillah because my God has given me a new life for a new day. I get up from bed at 6 a.m. After that, I go to my washroom, brush my teeth, and wash my face. Then I clean my room. After that, I finish my breakfast. For breakfast, I usually have an egg and some fruits. Fruits are very important for our health. They can provide with us vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that other food cannot give us. After finishing my breakfast, I take a bath before going to my institute. After taking a bath, I get ready to go my college to attend my classes. When I attend the class, I try to be more attentive because it is very helpful for me. After finishing my class, I return my home and wash my face, legs, hands, and after that, I have my lunch with my family. After finishing my lunch, I take a power nap. After the power nap, I feel fresh. Once I feel fresh, I have a cup of tea and sometimes I also read the newspaper. Then when the evening comes, I spend some times in prayer and sit down to study. So this is my daily routine. I made this video to practice my English speaking skills, and I hope it helps me improve. I also help it encourages others who are learning English to practice. If you are like my effort, please support me by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Let's improve our English together. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.